Hi friends, this is Gani. Today I am going to explain you how to create spiral stair just like this. Before going to create this type of stair, for more Tekla structure related videos, go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it. Here, you can find out so many Tekla structures related videos, how to create custom threads or pipe bracing, angle bracing, stairs and handrails and custom profiles just like this. So many Tekla structure related videos here. Please come here and watch these videos and click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload new videos, so please click on subscribe. Okay, let's start. Before going to start this spiral stair, I'm going to delete this stair. I'm going to create a new for you. Go to the application and components by using the shortcut Ctrl F and come here. Go to the steel detailing and the steel detailing, miscellaneous detailing. Here this is the Spiral Stair S68. I'm using US Imperial environment. If you are using other environment, you might not get this hierarchy, then no need to worry about it. Just search this name Spiral Stair in the search box. You will get this stair in the option. We click on it, close it, and then pick the center point of this stair where required. Click on it and then give the direction and click any position on this line, grid line. For it indicates that entrance of the stair thread, top of the position, any position on this line grid. After that, in the z direction perpendicularly, if you are not getting perpendicular z direction, then click on ortho, then you will get the perpendicular horizontal vertical direction in z direction. Then okay, after that, for example, if you need 15 feet, then enter directly 15 feet and click on enter. Here you can see this is the 15 feet height of the 15 feet indicates the top height of the thread. Here you can see just like this. We are taking the first position and second position in this direction, but stair comes that direction. If you need in this direction, then double click on it, redraw you once, close it, redraw you once, and then double click on it. Go to the parameters tab. Here it indicates this clockwise direction, then click on it and select the this option anti-clockwise direction and click on modify. Here I can see now this is the in this direction, it turns into in this direction. It indicates like that. You can change any direction as you require. Redraw you once, click on it. Okay, we will see one by one steps. Go to the picture tab. Here it indicates the first point, center of the pipe, and the second indicates this direction, and here we selected at this location and 0 level. From 0 level to bottom, how much required length of this pipe you can enter from here. For example, if you need 12 inches, then enter here, click on modify. Here you can see from this point to this pipe length should be 1 feet 12 inches. Like that you can also control from top also. Okay, select it and this indicates the for example, you can see in the elevation view. I'm going to create views, select grid and right click on mouse and create views along grid lines and create it. Okay, now it's created view list. Okay, I'm going to elevation on C, select it. Here you can see this is the point, this is the point, third point of this indicates this point. Then from this point to top of the pipe, how much you record, you can enter from here. For example, I am going to take 12 inches here and select this spiral and click on modify. Here you can see, now measure this distance from this point to this point should be 12 inches, 1 feet. Here you can see 1 feet. Like that you can control this middle pipe from top of the thread to top of the pipe, like that. Bottom of the thread to bottom pipe you can control from here, from these options. After that, here you can see this, go to the 3D view. Yeah, click on space and 3D view. Select it once. Here you can see this 1 feet 3 inches indicates the this step width, and here by default some width is here. You can control the this less width from this option. How much you require, you can enter from here. After that, here you can see this is the stiffener from bottom of this step. If you require this stiffener, you can choose this option. Otherwise, if you don't need any stiffeners bottom of the step, then come here and select this option, click on modify. Here you can see there is no stiffener bottom of the step. If you need, then select this option and modify like this. Okay, after that go to the parts tab. Here this picture indicates the this parts numbering. From here, this one indicates this pipe size, pipe 10 STD. I'm using US Imperial, so according to US Imperial pipe standard, this is the pipe standard according to US Imperial. If you are using any other environments, according to your environments, you can choose your standard pipes from browsing. From here you can choose any standard pipes as you require, like that. Come to the step profile. This is the step profile. Here you can see number 2 indicates this step profile. If you don't have any step profile here, by default it might be take thickness. Then up to now, click modify. Okay, now go to the this option, set object in component, select it and double click on this step. Here this is a by default step profile. Then select it, copy and close it, and once again select this option, select component and double click on this stair. Come here, go to the parts and paste here, click on modify. Here 7 by 8 inches thickness of the step. If you need 2 inches thickness of the step, then enter here 2 inches, click on modify. Here you can see now the thickness of this step should be 2 inches. After that, come here, number 3, stiffener profile. Stiffener, this stiffener 3, number 3 indicates this stiffener bottom of the step. If you want to change this stiffener thickness, you can control from here. This 3 by 4 indicates the thickness and 2 indicates the depth of this stiffener. For example, if you need 1 by 4 inch thickness, enter here 1 by 4, and the depth you required 3 inches, enter here 3 inches. Otherwise take 1 inch is more than enough, then take 1 inch and click on modify. Here you can see now thickness should be 1 inch. According to here, 1 by 4 is the thickness of this stiffener and 1 inch indicates the depth of this stiffener. Okay, you can control this edge profile here from here 1 inch or 2 inch as you require. You can enter. If you need any angle, you can enter here the angle as you require. Go to the parts. Here number 4 indicates the vertical pipe. This is the vertical pipe. Number 4 indicates the vertical pipes in the handrails. You can change vertical pipe standard profiles size from here. As you record, you can change any standard pipes from here in the profile catalog and click on apply OK and click on modify. Here you can see the change from here. I am going to leave as it is. Go to the handrails. Pipe 1 by 2 STD, 1.5 STD indicates these handrails. Here you can see these are the handrails size. This indicates this handrail size. Okay, after that knee rail profile. This is the knee rail profile at the middle of this size. Here this is a smaller size when compared to this pipe, handrail pipe. Here you can see 1.5. This is the 1 inch. This is the smaller size. You can control the size from this option. You can browse it. You can change any profile from here. After that, come here. Toe profile. Toe profile is this is the toe profile. Here you can see this is the plate indicates this toe profile. You can change the thickness of this toe profile from here and depth you can change from here. I am leaving as it is. You can change as you require. You can change the depth and thickness from these options. Number 7. After that, go to the parameters. We already seen that this orientation. By using this option, you can change the orientation of this stair. And after that, go to the top view. Redraw view once, and then double click on space. Come here, go to the plane view and click on modify. Here you can see you can change the distance from one thread to one thread angle by using here. Click on it and browse from this option, and you can change. For example, if you need 20 degrees angle between two threads and click on modify. Here you can see the changes from here. Select this stair and click on modify. Here now the thread one thread to one thread angle should be 20 feet. Like that you can change from this option. After that, come here. From this option you can change one thread to one thread distance between the two threads vertically from here. You can change from these options. For example, I am going to elevation view. Here for example, I am going to take 9 inches distance between the two steps and click on modify. Here you can see the changes from here. You can measure from here. You can check the distance between two threads by using this option, vertical distance from this thread to this step, 9 inches. Here you can control step to step distance from this option. After that, go to the stage setup. In this setup you can control here this 5 inches indicates this plate depth. For this plate depth you can control from here. For example, 5 inches indicates this 5 inch indicates this step, this plate depth, and after that if 4.5 inches, this 4.5 inches indicates this top of plate to this step distance. Okay, I am going to change half inches. Click on modify, select it, click on modify. Here you can see now from top of the plate to step distance should be half inches according to this option. Okay, after that go to the snatch, go to this option go to this tab, come here. Here you can control edge of this step to this distance. For example, I am going to take 4 inches, click on modify. Here you can see the distance will increase. Yeah, you can see like that. You can control the distance between step edge to this vertical pipe distance by using this option. Okay, after that you can control the length of this vertical pipe from this option. For example, if you need 3 feet, enter here 3 feet and click on modify. Here you can see now this vertical pipe should be 3 feet. Like that you can control from this option. You can change different types of vertical pipe profiles from using these options. If you require, you can choose these options and click on modify as per your requirement. Go to the bolts tab. Here bolts indicates this vertical pipes distance. For example, here you can see these bolts are here from 2 inches, take minus 2 inches, click on modify. Here you can see now this indicates this step, and these 2 bolts are here, and from distance between 2 bolts middle from the step should be minus 2 inches. Means go to the elevation view. Here you can see from step to this middle of this bolt should be 2 inches. Here this 50.8 indicates the distance between 2 bolts. Here this 50 value in the metric units, mm units. Okay, for 50.8 means 2 inches. For example, here this step setup, here this bolts indicates this step setup is bolted to this pipe. For example, for your requirement there is no bolts, you are directly welding this step setup to the pipe with a welding, then these bolts are no more required. Then come here, enter the value 0 at this location and click on modify. Select it and click on modify. Here you can see there is no bolts here. Means we are going to weld this step setup to the vertical pipe directly by using the welding. Okay, like that you can control any types. And come here, yeah, retrieve once. In the parametrics tabs, number of turns, you can control this number of turns by using this option. For example, if you need 2 turns, then come here, enter the value 2 and click on modify. Okay, for suppose you want to make the turns, then you have to select this option, then click on modify. Here you can see the changes. For example, I am going to take 2 turns, click on modify. Here indicates the 2 turns. For 1 turn, click here 1, click on modify. This is the 1 turn spiral stair. 1 turn spiral stair. For example, you want to maintain this stair with the angle, then you have to select this option with the angle, thread to thread angle, and click on modify. Select it and click on modify. This is one type of option. Otherwise, if you want to make the number of turns, then come here and select this option and select here the number of turns and click on modify. Depends upon your requirement, you may check, you may take any type of option as you require and click on modify. This is the spiral. This is the spiral staircase. How to create a spiral staircase. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Go to my channel youtube.com/GhaniSK. Come here and you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos, and please click on subscribe. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload new videos. Thank you.